Hi, so today we're going to be talking about technology and software and how you can incorporate this in your business to improve your health and safety provision. So, a little bit like how many small businesses and medium businesses now employ the accounting software such as Xero and Dext and Go Cardless to make those systems easier and more effective, and we can look at real time data. There are products out there that we can employ in a similar fashion for health and safety. So a few of the key benefits are that, for me, the biggest one is that it removes a barrier to use. So I know this as a health and safety consultant. Whenever I go out and talk to people, as soon as you mention health and safety, people think about forms and bureaucracy and paperwork and time-consuming tasks. So if you can get them to use a system that's really easy to use, really efficient, really slick in its appearance and everything, that can remove that barrier. So it's often said that, if you want someone to do something, make it as easy as possible for them to do it. So in my opinion, this is one way that you can do that. By employing one of these systems, you're going to be removing that barrier. So secondly, it suits contemporary working practices. So now it's not, our work is often not like office based or just purely site based. You've got like normally a mix of hybrid working. Some people working on site, some people working from home, some people in the office. So having a cloud based system or an online system just means that anyone can access that information from wherever they are at whatever point in time of the day, and they can use it, they can add to it, they can collaborate on it. So it just really fits in with a contemporary way of working. It allows for great data collection. So the fact that everything is recorded and collated online by the system, you're not relying on people uploading, 100 different spreadsheets or looking through some, paper sign-in sheets or that kind of thing from a site and then having to trundle through that in order to get the data that you want out of it. These systems can automatically prepare reports, prepare graphs, that kind of thing. And this is really useful because it can help you identify areas where you need improvement in real time before it becomes a major issue. So, for example, you could look at near miss rates or hazard identification rates, accident rates, and you can take action in real time in order to make improvements in that area. So, on the whole, they're just generally better. So, some of them are really well designed. When you're doing inspection reports, for example, when you're doing a walk around, you can take a photo, in the moment, and it's there in the report how something looks at that point in time. They can be the location can be identified with GPS, so which is really good, and get really good, accurate information about, for example, where an incident occurred, where something needs to be an action needs to be taken to improve a situation. Report writing as well. So these systems can send out automated reports to stakeholders. And this is great because it just means that it can happen a lot more readily. So you can get weekly reports, monthly reports, quarterly reports. So directly sent out, automated sent out to the relevant stakeholders. And it just means that they can act in, quicker to what's going on within the business. They're not waiting for someone to collate a report and present it to them. They're getting the information in real time, and it just allows quicker, more time efficient, better decisions to be made. So if you'd like any information on any of the systems that are out there and any guidance on which system might be right for your operation, your business, then please feel free to get in touch.